In this example, number 13, we are asked to graph this equation. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put this equation into y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept, my starting point. And also remember, the slope is the rise over run. Okay? So I'm going to first solve for y by subtracting 4x on both sides. And with 7y equals negative 19. Ooh, we're making a mistake. Let's not make mistakes. Cannot combine these two because they're not like terms, so I just rewrite it. Then we divide by negative 7. This cancels, leaving you with negative divided by negative is a positive, so 4 over 7x. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so 15 over 7. Now I'm going to graph it. I'm going to try to graph it in my small space over here. my x-axis. And what is 15 over 7? We want to have an estimate of what is 15 over 7. So when you round 15 over 7, you do long division, you get 2.14. Notice you will have to do this this will be a multiple choice. So the number doesn't have to be exact. We just need an estimate. Okay? So 2.14. I'm going to put my numbers in my line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Third halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 4 halves. Okay, so my y-intercept is 0, 15 over 7. That's a 7. So that's roughly 2.14. So 2.14, it's around somewhere over here. Okay? And now my slope tells me to go up 4 and run 7. My graph is not very drawn to scale, which is not good. Let's add up more space. I want to make sure you guys get a good graph. Eight, something like that. Okay, so now I'm from this point, my 2.14, I am going to go up 4, so roughly, let's say 1. This one also needs more space. Running out of spaces, that's the problem. Okay, so this is 4, 5, 6. Oops. So for my 2.14, I'm going to go up 4. And that is 1, 2. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Somewhere over here. Somewhere around here. But we don't make a point there. From there, we are going to go to the right 7 times. And if you look, that will end you somewhere over here. Okay? So in your graph, when you do your line, which is not going to look very well because this looks a little bit of a mess. Oops. There. So let's see if we can come up with a better graph, right? So my equation is, let me write that down. My equation is y equals 4, 7x plus 15 over 7. So if my equation is y equals 4 over 7x plus 15 over 7. We said that 15 over 7 is roughly 2.14. So I'm going to try to do a better line, better graph for you. Okay. And I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still running out of space. Can you believe that? Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. So my y-intercept 2.7. 1, 2, a little bit of here. Count 4. We'll go 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere around over here. Somewhere around the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere around the 6, okay? And then from there, we're going to go 7 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be around here. Now, when you connect your graph, it should look like that. So remember that the slope is 4 over 7, which is you're going to rise 4 and run to the right 7 times. And the 15 over 7 is your y-intercept.